I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I giddy up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and I giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off.
Yo, what is up, you guys? It's the Deem, and today it's actually going to be my first time going to the car show. Look at this car. Dang. But yeah, so today we are going to the media car show, which is like those little cars, you know, like those media or something, like, I don't know. Well, it's mostly just like Mazdas, and there are some like other cool cars like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, or like any like cool stylized sport cars. But I can't wait, and I'm about to go to there at 9 o'clock, so I'll see you there. Alright, so guys, we got some Mustangs, Dodge Viper. We've got the C6 Z06, or maybe it's probably like, I don't know what you call that. Damn. We've got a couple of C7s. Those C7s also. You've got the C6 looking nice and fresh. Wow. We have more Corvettes coming. Damn. This engine. Wow. This looks dope. Is that your car? Nice car.
Thanks.
Love the Challenger. The SRT. Love it. Got a couple of the classic cars. Yeah, look at this engine. Wow. Got the M2 looking nice. Guys, more cars are showing up like crazy, y'all. Look at this M2. They've got more like 2 Series Porsches. Love these Camaros. We got more C8. That nice Mustang GT. Got the Porsche. taillights. We've got the Supra. We've got the BMW M8. Love the grills, the tail lights looks pretty dang awesome. For the Nismo. Guys, for my opinion, this is like one of the most rarest Dodge Vipers out there in this America, which is so crazy to see. Especially looking at it in the person, look at the interior. Wow. That's a dope Dodge Viper, yo. This is something crazy. Like, this is like my first time seeing this in person, which is so crazy, y'all. This Camaro. This is a nice Camaro right there. How should you get on this car? Like literally, y'all. This car is nice. Look at the spoiler. Looks really nice. Wow. Because we got more cars coming, yo. I feel like I'm living in a heaven for cars, because like this is something really nice to see in person, especially the cars that like you haven't seen them. Still looks pretty crazy, y'all. We are going to check some more M cars in this, but so far it looks pretty dope, honestly, no cap. All right guys, let's check some more M cars, so let's go there. Look at this. Love this thing. Love the spoiler also. Look at this mad ZL1. Looking nice and sharp. Really love the spoiler. Also looks great. Wow, man. This thing looks dope. Look at this Mustang. Look, this is like, man, I love this classical car. It looks so sharp. I believe that this is like a Chevy or something. Yeah, this looks nice. I love this classical look. Camaros. Love these Camaros. Dang, dude. Wow, this BMW. This is the BMW F30. My first time seeing this car in person, which looks great. Love the tail lights. Everything about this car looks awesome. Of course, we got more C6. This is the Z06 actually, which looks pretty dope. More people are showing up, which is actually pretty crazy, y'all. Like, this is my first time being in a car show, which is crazy. Teslas. Some old classical cars like Mustangs. We got the Scat Pack, which looks pretty dope. Wow, man. We are going to take a loop around the car show because like there are like a bunch of cars, so pretty crazy. Guys, look at this old Chevy. I love the engine. This thing looks sharp. This Nismo. What's up? We've got more C7s. Looks nice. Damn. Yo, shout out to him. The IG will be right here. Yes, sir, bro. Keep it up. Guys, the engine on this one looks so awesome, bro. Look at this. And the wheels is kind of like tilted, sort of, which looks pretty dang nice. Damn. But this Scat Pack looks really damn nice.
I was thinking about it, I was telling Amy last night, like, look, I got the whole front of everything.
Look at this Shelby. Looks pretty nice.
It was my fault.
Wow. We've got the M2 competition. It's pretty nice. Got the GTR. Mr. Sailor, what's up?
So
I'm
you
good.
taking some footage here?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. That's
Awesome.
good. That's good.
Same.
Anybody else here that you know?
No, not really. I just came here just to see all these cars.
Yeah.
Nice.
So are there any cars that you really like, or?
Yeah. Some Corvettes, Mercedes, Mustangs, of course.
Yeah.
A GTR, like bunch of like those like nice classical cars.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's a Dodge Viper.
Yeah, I seen it. Yeah, the
end.
blue one. Yeah.
That's my favorite.
Same.
Yeah, I met a guy yesterday at.
Guys, look at those rims. Wow. These look very nice with Mercedes. I think this is like the AMG 63 maybe. Not really sure, but I love the spoiler and the carbon fiber. It looks pretty dope. Of course, guys, we've got the Corvette Z06. Not the Z06, the C8 I meant. Yeah. Wow, this thing looks pretty dope, y'all. Love the carbon fiber, the forged carbon fiber. This looks pretty dang cool. Got the Challenger.
So what do you have to do to take care of that back? Keep it healthy. Besides treating like paint. You gonna pick a space up there so I can get out later? No, what? Depending on how you move the car, like if it's
Wow, this thing is nice.
2, 3 years, 4 if you're lucky. If you keep it in the garage, always lasts.
Nice Z06.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Wow. That's a nice. Love the spoiler also. This thing looks pretty sharp. Good. How about you?
I'm doing great.
Oh. That's my first time seeing this car with the opposite of the open hood, which looks pretty crazy. And the interior too. And then back view just looks pretty damn cool. Guys, those GTRs are so rare, which looks pretty dang crazy. Man, I love these cars. third dream car, which is the Corvette C8. And yeah, because this car looks amazing, especially in the bright colors. Damn. And the interior. Now I know who owns this car, but this interior, it looks pretty dope. And the taillights look super aggressive. The angles, the edges, the outlines looks pretty damn sharp. But yeah, definitely a 10 source on that one. This thing looks nice. And the convertible too. Wow. Also looks pretty sick. People are leaving the car show, which is kind of upset, but nice C6. Yes, sir. Guys, this is so crazy. Look at this car. This old classical car. Looks really nice. Love the front. The front looks like a monster to me. I love the engine. Dang. Nice Corvette.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Damn. But guys, that's pretty much it. That's a wrap for this video. I hope that you guys like it, of course. I mean, just a car show, just to like explore around the area. So yeah, stay tuned. Peace.